When we went over parts of speech, I told you that there were other kinds of conjunctions, not just coordinating. There are 3 conjunctions that I'd like you to remember. They are the one that we already know, coordinating, and those are fanboys. That is, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. And keep in mind that some of these are also prepositions. For example, the word for. If I say, I have a package for you, this is not a conjunction here. This is a preposition creating the prepositional phrase for you, for an object. This pencil is for the desk. All right. So, not that one, this one. I have a package, comma, and you should open it. This is an independent clause, I have a package. This is an independent clause, you should open it. Both of those are complete sentences by themselves, but when joined with comma fanboys, they are conjoined. This conjunction is linking them together. Those are coordinating conjunctions. Next, we have subordinating conjunctions. All right. Now, we do have another cute word for this one, but it doesn't include all of the subordinating conjunctions. It's just a few. The word is bista. All right. And the words are after, as, when, or whenever, while, until, unless, because, before, if, since, though, and although. Okay, sorry. So ugly at the bottom. So these words, like coordinating conjunctions, link two independent clauses together. But it's slightly different because the subordinating conjunctions create dependent clauses. So if you have the sentence that we were using before, I have a package, we could add the subordinating conjunction that you should open. And now this complete sentence, you should open it, or you should open something, when linked with this subordinating conjunction, becomes a DC, and then you can link them together. I whistle. While I work. Rather than saying comma and I work there, we can just say while. Notice there's no comma. All right, these are the subordinating conjunctions. After, as, when, whenever, while, until, unless, because, before, if, since, though, although. Remember these ones. They get you in the most trouble if you don't remember that they are subordinating conjunctions and not the next one, which is conjunctive adverbs, or adverbial conjunctions, if that's easier to remember. Now, I don't have as cute a word to remember these because there are so many, and most of them don't begin with vowels, but we can remember that these are usually big fat words, and they are not thin. Therefore, however, indeed, nevertheless, or moreover, words like that. These are heavy-duty conjunctions that link sentences together with some extra hardware. I have a package for you. Semicolon. That's right. We have a semicolon before we use these. Therefore, now we need a comma after. I told you they required lots of hardware. I have a package for you. Therefore, you should open it. Okay. And that's how you link these together. Now some people say, well, wait, I learned that you just have a comma before and after a word like however or therefore in an essay. For example, in this sentence, my first reason, therefore, is that something or other. Okay, and that's true. In this sentence, you would put a comma before and after. But the reason is that what comes after it is not an independent clause. When you're linking two independent clauses together with a conjunctive adverb, usually as a smooth transition in an essay, you require semicolon before and a comma after. Now, keep in mind that some sentences can begin with a conjunctive adverb and be grammatically correct, just like some sentences can begin with a coordinating conjunction. But it doesn't work by itself. You have to have something coming before it. And often it's a better idea just to use the semicolon when you're using these. Just like most teachers will tell you that it's not usually a good idea to start a sentence with a coordinating conjunction. All right, let's quiz you. Now, if I give you the sentences with semicolons and commas, you'll remember them by their punctuation and not by the word. So I'm just going to write a conjunction on the board, and you tell me what you think it is: a coordinating conjunction, a subordinating conjunction, or a conjunctive adverb. That will be CC, SC, or CA. Subordinating conjunction. How about when? Subordinating conjunction. When I go to the store. Moreover. It's longer, it's not thin. Moreover is, of course, a conjunctive adverb. How about so? Well, you've got that just by position, haven't you? Coordinating conjunction. It's probably just a good idea to memorize all of the words that are linked to fanboys, awubista, and thin. Now you've got all your parts of speech, including all three types of conjunctions. You're ready to move on to clause structure.